This van's got a really high spec electrical setup. You can see the multi-RS here is the hub of the 230 volt power. It's got a 6 kVA rating. It operates at 48 volts, so we've had to pair that with a 48 volt lithium battery from Roma. You can see there. This is their home battery, 105 amp hours at 48 volt, so it's about a 5 kilowatt hour battery. And you've got all your mixed distributor, your fuse boards, your DBs for the AC, and your servo, which makes it a smart network so you can remote control things. We've also got in this box seat here the reverse osmosis water filter from Off-Grid Water. That gives you bottle quality drinking water out of a drinking tap in the sink.